Here's how to set up and use your Ergodyne pop-up shelter and accessories. Stand the frame upright with the metal legs resting on the ground. Remove the frame from the roller bag. Expand the frame by pulling it outward halfway, as shown here. For your initial setup, remove the canopy from the bag and packaging, then drape over the top of the frame. Attach the inside corner of the canopy to the frame using the hook and loop fasteners. Then repeat for the remaining corners. Now, with the canopy attached, fully expand the frame outward. Raise the frame and lock the corner into place. Push the bottom legs down and raise the shelter until you hear the first click. If needed, raise the height adjuster to make it taller. Use the 4 black clips on the inside of the canopy to fully secure it to the frame. The Ergodyne pop-up shelter line has a number of sidewall options that are compatible across all models. To install any of these options, first locate the black clips, then use them to attach the sidewall to the frame. Next, attach the bottom corners of the sidewall to the frame using the silver hooks. Finally, to fully secure the sidewall to the frame, use the 8 attached hook and loop straps. To roll up and stow the sidewall, start by undoing the hook and loop straps and bottom silver hooks. Starting at the bottom, roll the sidewall up and secure in place using the attached toggle loops. To install the zippered sidewall, follow the same steps as previously shown. Attach the black clips to the frame, attach the silver hooks to the frame, and finally, attach the 8 hook and loop straps. To keep the door open, roll up each panel and secure using the toggle loops. Optional tent weight bags are also available. Fill the bag with sand and wrap around the bottom section of the frame leg. Secure with hook and loop strap. To take down your Ergodyne pop-up shelter, start by unhooking the black clips, securing the canopy to the frame, and fully collapse the shelter. All Ergodyne pop-up shelter storage bags are oversized by design. This allows you to store your shelter without removing the canopy and makes your next setup a breeze. For more information on our full line of pop-up shelters, visit ergodyne.com.